Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amana. In this channel, I will show you about tourism in Banjarmasin. Let's get started. Banjarmasin City. The city of Banjarmasin is a municipality which is also the capital of the province of South Kalimantan. The city of Banjarmasin, which is the city of a thousand rivers, and the city of Banjarmasin has a lot of tourism. Here I will tell you some of the truths in Banjarmasin. The fish floating market. Don't get me wrong, the floating traditional market on the river is a unique popular tourism attraction. No doubt it is visited by tourists from various regions every day. Visitors can see various vegetables, fruits, and all daily necessaries on the board. To the two Pulau Kembang. Indeed, Pulau Kembang is located in the middle of the Barito River, which is formed naturally from an island. The place is inhabited by a herd of monkey because it is compression area for long-tailed macaques and forest monkey, so that visitors can see what long-tailed macaques and porpoise monkey are like in their daily lives. To the three single house. Who would have thought Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan has a single house? It has even become the most popular tourist attraction visited by people in various regions because it has the shape of another house. To the four mirror lakes. You need a tourist attraction that relax the mind in Banjarmasin. Mirror Lake a coast. In the past, the lake was a sand-mining area which was quite attractive, but over time it became a lake because it was no longer ocean. The five bricks of the Barito River. The Barito River break coast sturdy and acoustic ever the Barito River, which is used for break jumping activity for Banjarmasin youth. To the six blue lakes. Watching the view of the blue lake is a charming activity that is hard to forget. That's why the Cempaka Blue Lake tourism attraction is popular throughout the area because the cream of the blue lake is only found on Bangka Belitung Island. To the seven hills of Teletubbies. Do you miss your childhood would like to watch the Teletubbies children show? There are Banjarmasin tourist attraction that can reach the longing for Teletubbies. The Egg Pack of Tahura. Visiting the Banjarmasin tourist attraction is incomplete if you miss the first area, because there is the Pack of the Tahura Sultan Adam Forest, which has a popular hill that is famous for its beautiful mist in the morning. The Nine Towers of View. The Banjarmasin tourist attraction is located in Banjarmasin city area because the Banjarmasin Viewing Tower is a unique tourism destination because it offers a very charming view of the island of Borneo from the top of the view tower. The 10 Pilangers of Sasirangan. A trip to Banjarmasin is incomplete if you don't hunt for typical Banjarmasin cloth. That's why Sasirangan Pilangga is the target tourist spot for a visitor. The 11 Wasaka Museum. Do you have children or a Tenagli family? Visiting the historical tourist attraction of Banjarmasin is a must-try. The source is the Wasaka Museum and Lambung Mangkurat Museum. A lot of education will be obtained from the two museums. The 12 Red Hills of Kaladana. You want to visit Raja Ampat Bunken? Banjarmasin is the solution. The reason is that there are contemporary tourism attractions such as Raja Ampat. namely Bukit Matangkaladan, which is location not far from the top of the Tahura Forest to the 13th island of Bakut. Indeed, Bakut Island is located under the Barito Bight, which has an area of about 18 hectares. The 14th Animal Park. The Animal Park is a popular destination for children because there is a high educational below about animals in Indonesia. To the 15th waterfall of Bajuin. Bajuin Waterfall has a panoramic view of the beauty of the waterfall in the form of executive mountains with cool the 16th Meadows Pine Forest. The Meadows Pine Forest tourism attraction in the target of visitors in figure selection because it is Instagrammable. The 17th park sharing 0 kilometers. The first tourist attraction in Banjarmasin, we start with the main title of river tourism, but have a taste of base tourism in Banjarmasin. The name of the tourism attraction in Shiring Matapura Park. Those are some tourist attraction in Banjarmasin. Thank you for listening to me. Hopefully it will be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.